taste of bad. You keep talking about the past, what you did and what you had. No wonder you always mad. I'm just trying to get by. You just grinding and get fly. You worried about the wrong thing.
YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Straightup631, and we're here with another daily vlog. This is the second one into the new year, and guess what? This is only the second day in the new year, so we grind and we work, and we are dropping a vlog every single day for the next 365 days, so stay tuned for that. The level up is about to be real. If you're not already subscribed to the channel right now. Right behind me, we have my Harley Davidson Dyna right here. This is a 2002 FXDX Super Glide Sport. For those of you who did not know exactly what year, make, and model bike this is right here. Now, I thought I was going to be able to buy this Harley right here the way it is, since it's FXDX and these are the better bikes for wheeling. And I was going to be able to wheelie it the way it was stock, but no, that is not the answer. I actually had to do a lot of stuff to this bike, and I had a lot of people that helped out. So shout out to all my homies that helped me with this build. The bike came out absolutely amazing. There's actually a little bit of a story to this bike. So I bought this bike about 5 months ago, and it was not this candy orange right here. It was actually a red, and I'm going to show a picture of what the bike looked like right now. Wow, did the bike change so much? Now I need you guys to let me know right now down below. Do you like the red or the orange look? I think the candy orange looks absolutely amazing, let alone all the little details that I did. Adding the front fairing, putting the little East Coast plate over my intake, the Don't Panic sticker. Shout out to my sponsor, Bassani Exhaust. They hooked me up, and honestly, the weather got super cold as soon as I put the exhaust on, and I haven't been able to use the sled. This summer, we are gonna be super active, and we're gonna put on for Bassani. Shout out to Bassani Exhaust. If you guys are not already following them, go follow all their socials. All of their links will be in the description to this video. You know we had to add that Saddleman seat, so you're nice and comfy and glued to the seat when you're wheeling. We had to get a motor mount. This is the #1 thing that you want to get when you get this bike and you're gonna wheelie it, because what happens is if you don't have that Big Bear motor mount in there, which costs a chunk of change, $400 I paid for that, but it is so worth it, because if you come down from a wheelie too hard without giving gas, you can actually snap your casing, and you do not want to do that. That is going to be a huge headache. Tip #1 for anybody that plans on buying a Harley, stunning it out and wheeling it, if you do not have one, first thing you want to make sure you do is put a motor mount on it. And now for the paint job, shout out to my brother Julio for finessing this paint job and making my bike come to life. It couldn't have came out any better. I'm so in love with the bike, and I cannot wait to turn up on this thing. Now let's stop doing all this talking and let's get to the work. We are about to drop the oil on this bike because I have been beating the piss out of it and I haven't dropped any of the fluid, so we are gonna do an oil change. We have the filter right here. We don't currently have the oil, so we are gonna run to the Harley store and grab the oil, but before we do that, I'm about to just drop the oil in this bike really quick. Now before we drop the oil, I always run my bike so let the oil get nice and warm in the engine, so it all comes out when I drop the drain plug. Alrighty, this thing hasn't been started in a minute. We are in neutral and we are going to start it. Oops. Gas isn't on. I'm shot, y'all. This is how you know it's early in the morning. I go to start the bike and the fuel isn't even on, so I just turn the fuel on. We're gonna give it 1, 2, 3 pumps on the gas. Switch on, run, start. Okay. Ooh. She don't want to start. She hasn't been started in like a couple weeks. It's been cold out. Your boy hasn't been riding her. Ooh, okay, there we go. A little something. There we go. Wow, that was the most difficult it's ever been to start this Harley, but you know it's a Harley Davidson, so you're gonna have little issues like that. Woo. It is 50 degrees out in the beginning of January. I am super hyped. We're gonna have some fun on the bikes. I'm gonna pop out on the Harley. She wants to like snore, but she's not. That's that Harley Davidson sound. We lit! You know the vibe! You guys see right here, the heel to my shoe, since my peg is right here, always is my Bassani, and the rubber ends up staining the exhaust. And then I'm an idiot, and I actually went to clean the exhaust with a microfiber while it was hot, so I messed up the exhaust again. I am going to show you guys in a video throughout the week how I clean that exhaust. So if you guys want to know the tips and tricks to how I clean my Bassani exhaust and make it look brand new, just stay tuned for that. So now that the bike is warm, we are going to cut it off. Turn the key off, pull it out, get my oil can ready. So the bike don't want to roll because the back tire is super low. So I'm about to air the tire up real quick. My friend Corey's on his way to my house right now. He's about to jump in the car with me. We're about to head to the Harley store, grab some oil. But before we do that, I'm about to just drop the oil to this bike. Alright, I got it. Now that we got the drain plug off, I'm about to pull the oil filter off, and we're gonna wait for all the oil to get out of the bike. Then we're gonna put the new oil filter on. We got the drain plug right here, and we are about to put a brand new O-ring, which we have in this bag right here, on the drain plug. Every time you change your oil, you gotta change the O-ring. So we just linked up with my boy Corey, and we are on the way to AutoZone. We gotta go get oil since Harley is currently closed till the 5th. You guys ready for some Harley action? Because I am. It is super, super nice out right now. I just ran into AutoZone and got some Valvoline VR120W50 full synthetic. We're about to go put it in the bike. So now to the new oil filter. We're gonna prime the filter by filling it with oil right now. Make sure it's nice and snug. Wipe it off. Pull the drain plug off. Where's the funnels at? I can't find anything today, y'all. Cool. Nice and simple. Now you got yourself a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, go grab a water bottle, make sure you dry it out, cut it, and boom, you got yourself a funnel. Okay, so now that the funnel is in there and is looking crazy, we're gonna start dumping this oil in there. Let's go. 3 quarts, guys. We are putting 3 quarts of oil into the bike. On to the next one now. To the last quart of oil. And then check the level. You want your bike to be level when you're checking your oil level. Alright, so we are about to start the bike after the oil change. We about to turn up today, it's about to be lit. You guys ready? We're just getting on Harley right now. And we're about to have some fun, y'all ready? I'm sorry I had to cut it off right there, y'all, but we are going to be continuing the video tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog, since we are now dropping a vlog every single day, daily, for the next 365 days. Now, before we close this vlog out, you better have subscribed if you aren't already subscribed. Like this video, please comment down below, ask me a question. I'm going to be answering questions from the previous YouTube video every single day, so ask me questions, let's interact on this platform, y'all, and let's get right into this. So question number 1 from yesterday's vlog. Question number 1, Aaron Peart, let's go. Happy New Year's. Bring everything to the table. What's on the agenda this year? The agenda for this year is to level up, to get that 100,000 subscribers on this channel, to travel mad places, to make major links, and just to have some fun. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate your question and your comment. Now on to question number 2. Question number 2 from William Hathaway. I want to start riding but do not have enough money. What do I do? Go ask your parents for the credit card, and if they say no, go take it. Nah, I'm just playing with you, but you should go get a job, go work towards something, you know, because when you get the bike at the end of the day and you work really hard for it, it's gonna feel way better. I'm telling you, when you really work hard for something and earn it, it just hits different. Thank you for tuning into this video, and on to question number 3. Actually, not a question, y'all, because we only had 2 questions in the last video, so we're just gonna announce some other comments in the video. Let's go on to the next comment from Cody Hess. More Harley content. You know the vibes. We just dropped some Harley content, and we got some more Harley content tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm happy I actually dropped content that you wanted to see today. Woo! And on to the next comment. Comment number 4 from Robin Banks. A bit of hard craft, and you'll smash it, lad. Greetings from Glasgow in Scotland. Hey, we got somebody tapping in from Scotland. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate you for supporting the channel and tuning into my videos. This video was lit. I can't wait to get into tomorrow's video. Stay tuned for that. Like I said 1,000 times in this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. You know the vibes.
Yeah! Keep on rocking in the free world and do 631.
You know the vibes.